Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Techno49. I hope everyone is safe. So now let's start. So I have HG agents call volume. So on the basis of I need to find out occupancy. So occupancy is that what is the workload, and to calculate the workload we need to have your call volume multiplied by your HT divided by your 1800 seconds, because we have 30 minutes interval and we have 1800 seconds in 30 minutes, bracket close, divided by your number of agent present in that particular interval. So now we can see that it is 7%. So let me just calculate in the percentage. So we just simply have to drag it down. So this would be the occupancy interval wise. In 7:30 we have 77%. In 8 o'clock we have 96%. So now we have to calculate the call capacity. So I need to remove the call volume column so we can get to know that what kind of calls can be answered interval wise, right? So now to find out the call capacity, we need to know that how many number of agent do we have in that particular interval and what is the occupancy. 87% multiplied by again 1800 seconds, because we have 1800 seconds in 30 minutes, divided by your HT. The moment I hit the enter, I would be having the call capacity. 100 calls can be answered in 7 o'clock interval with 35 agent and having 550 seconds HT. So I just need to simply drag it down. So these number of calls can be handled interval wise. Now we have to find out the total of this. So to find out the total, what would be the overall HT? So I need to use the formula that would be your sum product. Sum product means that sum of HT, comma, then number of agent divided by sum of number of agent. So that would be the overall HT for all of the intervals, 549.6 seconds. And to get the average of agent, just simply use the formula of average. How many average number of agent do we need to handle that call volume? So 38.57. So to find out the occupancy, we need to use the formula of sum product. Sum product, you have your occupancy interval wise, then your number of agent, bracket close, sum your number of agent. So 84 would be the overall occupancy of all of the intervals, and the call capacity would be your total number of calls, how many calls can be answered. If you like this video, please subscribe, share this video so that video can be reached to maximum people. Thank you so much again for watching this video.